Hey, this is Brian, and thanks for joining us on another episode of Tip to Grip. Today we'll be focusing in on the Sea Sniper rear handle series. As you can see here, I've got one of our blanks in my hand, and wanted to just go over some of the design features that set our guns apart. Starting out with the woods that we use a mahogany and red balau, two very strong woods. They hold up great in the water. The thing that we do that's a little different is with our ballasting for the guns, we'll use the outer lamination, which is a red balau, and we'll adjust the thickness of that lamination depending on the length of the gun. We can do that because we know that all other elements of the gun, the muzzle plate, the badging on the side, the handle and the butt pad, all of that other stuff stays constant whether it's a 75 centimeter gun or a 150 centimeter gun. So then all we need to do is adjust this outer lamination to give you the exact right balance and ballast on the gun once it's in the water. So with that being said, some of the other key features that we've designed in these that are really really nice are the muzzle plate design and the handle mechanism design. So with the muzzle plate, you can see we basically have the top plate here that holds the bands into place, and then our bottom line loop, and these are basically connected by two stainless steel inserts in between and then tightened from either side, so it gives you a really strong design around the muzzle and great holding for the bands where all that pressure is being applied. It also makes it very easy to change your bands out. You can just simply remove these two screws, place the wishbones back into the muzzle area, put the screws back in, tighten it up, and then pull your bands through. Simple as that. Only takes a couple of minutes to do. Focusing in on the handle design, we use all stainless steel parts in our handle, and it's a one-piece design, which is fairly unique as well. Slides right in from the back, gets mounted on, makes for a very strong design, and it's really nice because we don't have any plastic parts in our handle, so it's a very strong, long-lasting design that will hold up really well in the harsh elements that we take our guns through. Nice rubber butt pad so that it's nice and comfortable when you're loading. And then we offer our rear handle series in two types of guns. We do an open track design like this, or we have an enclosed track design. And with the enclosed track, we use a UMHW, which is an ultra high molecular weight plastic, and that part is very strong, very long lasting. It's impregnated with a UV protector, so it's not going to break down and get brittle over time, and it's going to allow for your very quick and very stable release of your shaft. The benefit to having an enclosed track is with the amount of power that you have loaded up onto your shaft, if you have a very long gun with a long shaft, your shaft will actually start to porpoise as it comes out of your gun. And what the enclosed track will do is it'll keep that shaft straight until it exits the gun, and it eliminates that shaft whip or that porpoising effect, so you get a much truer, longer, straighter shot. And that's what's important. So there you go with a few of the elements that are built into the Sea Sniper rear handle series. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Tip to Grip. We'll see you next time.